Yeah, so here we are back out in the shop doing a little work on the 86 Mustang, but before that I need to change the oil in my air compressor. So got the air compressor running now to warm up because I guess winter's finally set in here. Garwoods, it's a blustery as frig out day here in Garwoods, but heading out back to my compressor room. We'll give that a minute. It'll shut off here any second. Used to have my compressor inside the shop, took up way too much room. So, hang on. That's better. But yeah, I used to have my compressor inside the shop and it just took up way too much room. So we built this little compressor room this year, kind of a, there's my compressor. Yeah, we built this compressor room to store it because it just took up too much room in the shop and it's too loud. So we built this and now it can just kind of hang out here, and apparently my fancy magnet light doesn't want to stick. So yeah, we're gonna drain the oil on it. It's I think they put break-in oil in them. I was probably supposed to do it already, but I didn't. So we're gonna do that now. Meanwhile, back at the ranch. Yeah, so you can see I got the piece welded in there at the front, across from the subframe to the rocker where the front of the floor pan goes on. I got the other piece there welded in. My patch panel fitment wasn't the greatest, so there's no way I could have filled that gap there on the edge, so I didn't even try. I still have to cut the outer rocker off, so I'll be able to get a piece in behind there and fill that in, do something better. It was better to do that than just to make that real thin metal just disappear. But yeah, that's welded in there, so we're one step closer to getting the floor pan welded in. I got some more weld through primer, so I'll get this all shined up and weld through primered, and let it dry, and we'll go from there. But yeah, those two pieces are welded in. Have to get the air die grinder out and get everything ground down, smoothed up, looking good, because I'll be honest, it looks terrible right now. But that's what you get when you do the little spot welds on the sheet metal so you don't warp it. It's not really about making a pretty weld, it's just making something solid. Try not to put so much heat in so it warps it, burns through. So yeah, there's that. And there's the big hole where the floor pan will, with any luck, be welded in the next day or two. So yeah, got those front patch panels welded in, and threw the floor pan in quick just to see how it fits. Seems to fit pretty good. These were really good floor pans. I got them from LMR. I don't know what brand they are. I guess they're, it says right here, it's a key parts. None of those guys sponsor this video or anything, but yeah, they seem to be pretty heavy duty, pretty good quality floor pans. They fit amazing. I'll have to do a little trimming on the front corner of this one, but that's not the floor pan's fault. That's my fault where I welded that patch panel in. But so yeah, we'll it's all test fitted in there, and I'll get some weld through primer sprayed on it, get the floor pan all prepped, get the holes punched where you're going to do the rosette welds. There's that piece I made across the back. So yeah, we'll get all the rosette welds punched in it, get the weld through primer sprayed on it, and get it welded in. We'll get it welded in the next video. But as always, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. Hit the thumbs up if you like the video. Yeah, subscribe, pass the word, and as always, thanks for watching.